Hey, it's James Nicholson, I hope you're well. And look, one of the best ways to get known in business is to make a big impact, right? And nothing's made a bigger impact on earth than this place where I am here just outside Winslow, Arizona. Look at it, it's the biggest preserved crater in the world. It's absolutely huge. Down there is a life-size cutout of a man, and from the top of the crater you can't even see him. That's how big this place is, right? It's the size of 60 stories. So if you had a 60-story building, it would just about get to the top. But making an impact in your business is something that's critical to your success, and you need to get marketing that is impactful, that people remember you and makes you memorable. And a great way to do that is to give value and content. You see, so many businesses, they try to just throw offers down people's throats, and people don't know you, they don't like you, they don't trust you, they've never heard of you. And if you ask them to buy something expensive from you, clearly they're not going to do that without getting to know you that little bit better. So content is a great way to position yourself as an expert, to give value to an audience and make that impact with that prospect or potential customer. Maybe they're going to buy more products and services with you, or maybe they're just going to trust you enough to make that first initial step to try your product or service and get working with you in that first instance. So think about what content you could put out that's going to make an impact in your business, and share that with me. I'd love to hear what content you're doing. Types of content you can do is videos like this. You could do written articles that you could put on your site like a blog post, or audio content's really good at the moment, things like podcasts and stuff like that. And you can put those on all different platforms. So you could put video on Facebook and YouTube. You could put written content on Facebook. You could put it on your blog, and you could put it in emails as well. So let me know, what content are you producing at the moment? Like and comment, and let me know what you're doing below. And if you haven't at the moment got a copy of my book, do grab one. I'm going to put a link to that around this video. So above this video or below it is going to be a link, and you can get yourself a free copy of my new book, Expert Mastery. It takes a few days to get to you. All you need to do is pay for the shipping, but it's going to teach you the 5 steps to get leads and sales online and finally get this internet marketing stuff working for your business, or as a matter of fact, any marketing system. It can be online or offline. So do that now, grab that book. I'm off to explore the crater down here. See you soon. Bye for now.